So remember, whenever you get a math sheet, what's the first thing that you need to remember to do? Write your name. That's correct. A lot of people are still passing in their work without their name. Can you believe it?
No.
No. Why is it a problem not to put your name on your work? Why is that a problem? Anybody know?
No.
Nobody knows?
No.
Oh my goodness. Sarah, why is it a problem?
Because you don't know who it is.
That's right.
And so you can't mark us on it.
That's right. I can't really very well mark you.
Yeah, so it can't go on the report card.
All right, so let's look at this together, okay? And let's look at this first problem that we have here. So we've got 63 plus 15. What's the best way to solve this problem? What's the best way? Using front-end addition. Peyton?
Oh,
Can you remember using front-end?
6 plus... Wait. Yeah, 6 plus 3... 1. No. 6 plus
Well,
63 plus...
if we do 6 tens, which is 60, plus 1 10, right?
Is 70.
That equals 70. Okay, keep going, Peyton.
And then, you put, 5.
That's right. Then you put 3 and 5 ones equal 8. And then you add together 70 and 8, and you get 78. Now that's using front-end addition. Oh, I'm so glad you know how to use front-end addition. Now, I also know that some people used some nice numbers before. Now, let's see if we can do one of these using nice numbers, okay? Let's see. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try to add it. Oh, okay, let's see. New photo. I'm going to try to do this one. Okay. Here we go. 12 plus 36. How would be a nice way to add these ones together? Somebody had a really good strategy for this yesterday. I think it might have been Benjamin. Can you tell me using nice numbers how you would do this one?
I don't think that it was this one.
It wasn't this one exactly.
Yeah, like
But what about if we took this nice number, 36, and added just 10 to that number? 36 plus 10. Is that an easy number to add together?
Yeah.
What? 46. So we've taken this 12 and we broke it into 10. How many are left over? 2. So now we have to add 2 to 46 and we get 48. So the answer is 48. Using nice numbers. Also solve this problem using front-end addition. How would you solve this problem using front-end addition, Rain?
You get the front ones and then 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Or 10 plus 3 tens equals 4 tens, right?
And then you go, and then 6 plus 2 equals 8.
Yep.
So then you put
And then
that's 48.
That's right. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Okay. Does that seem to make sense?
So basically, you can just think of it as like 2 math problems and you just mash them together.
Right. Think of it as 2 math problems. One math problem, you're adding up the tens. Oops, that won't work. One problem, you're adding up the tens. And then the other math problem, you're adding up the ones, right? So you do them separately. Okay? So what was the last question we just did? It was
31.
12.
Oh, right. 12 plus 36.
12 plus 36. Okay. So we know the answer to that equals what?
48.
48. So in order to check your work to make sure you've done the addition correctly, this is called an addend. This is called an addend.
And then the other one's called the sum.
And this is called a sum. That's right. So if you take the sum minus an addend,
It doesn't matter.
it should equal the other addend. Okay? So let's see if that'll work. What's the sum?
It's 48.
48. Subtract
36.
36.
And it should
And let's just see. If we have 4 tens, take away 3 tens, how many tens do we have left?
be
1 10. We have 8 ones, take away 6 ones. How many do we have left? 2. So is that correct?
Yes.
You bet. This 12 is equal to this 12 here. So our answer is correct.